Good evening, everyone. We'll do third grade builder number 63. We'll start with addition. 555 plus 72. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. Put your 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. So your answer is 627. Your next one is 800 minus 47. We're going to make it easier on ourselves. We're going to subtract 1 from each number, so that becomes 799, and it becomes 46. So 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 7 minus 0 is 7. So your answer is 753. Okay, 7 times 8 is 56. Put a 6 in the ones place. Put a 5 in the tens place. Now we're going to do the tens. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 5, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 tens, 6 ones. Our answer is 216. Okay, multiplication, 8 times 1, or 8 groups of 1, is 8. 8 groups of 2 is 16. 8 groups of 3 is 24. 8 groups of 4 is 32. 8 groups of 5 is 40. 8 groups of 6 is 48. 8 groups of 7 is 56. 8 groups of 8 is 64. 8 groups of 9, 72, and 10 groups of 8 is 80. Composite figures. You're going to find the area of each part and then add them together to find the total area. So on this one, we're going to have to find each part. So we're going to cut off some things. So we're going to make this a rectangle here, and then we're going to use this one as our rectangle here. So we're going to use the length times the width to find this one. So this one's, we're going to use this one as part 1. So that's going to be our part 1. So we have 3 units here, and we have 2 units here. So 3 groups of 2, because length times width. So length times width is going to give us 6 square units. Okay, so now we're going to go here. We're going to find this rectangle. Okay, so we're going to use this one right here. So we can't use the 7 because the 7 is all of this one. So we're going to mark out that 7. We can't use it because it's the whole length. So this would be 5 plus the 2 here. So, but we can use the length here. Actually, this one's a square. And we can use the length here. So we're going to say 5 times 5. So 5 units times 5 units is going to give us 25 square units. So now we can go and add 6 square units to 25 units. And that's going to give us a total of 31 square units. So we just broke it down into pieces. And then we could find the total for the whole shape. Capacity and weight. Liter is liquid volume, and it's metric. Milliliter is liquid volume and metric. Ton is weight and customary. Fluid ounce is liquid volume and customary. Pint is liquid volume and customary. Cup is liquid volume and customary. Quart is liquid volume and customary. Gallon is liquid volume and customary. Ounce is weight and customary. Kiloliter is liquid volume and metric. Pound is weight and customary. Sorry, my light's not sticking. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, so you can see the rest of them there in the diagram. Okay, we'll go to geometric figures. We're going to circle each attribute that fits the figure. So all 4 sides are congruent. They are not, so we can't circle that one. On number 2, we have 2 pairs of congruent sides. We do not. We only have 1 pair. These 2 are congruent. The other 2 are not. So we can't circle that one. We have 1 pair of parallel sides. That is true. We have 1 pair here and here. That's our pair of parallel sides. And all 4 congruent square corners. We don't have any square corners. Okay, so we know that this figure is a trapezoid. All right, on to fractions. We need 4/6 or 4 out of the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded. And we need 3 out of the 6 shaded. 1, 2, 3. And we know that 4/6 is greater than 3/6 because there are more shaded in here than there is there. Okay. All right, we're going to look at the number line. We're going to fill it in. So this is 16, 16 and a half, 17, 17 and a half, 18, 18 and a half, 19, 19 and a half, and 20. So we want to know how far is it from 18 3/4. So let's go to 18. Here's 18 and 18. Here's 18 1/4, 18 2/4, or 18 1/2, and 18 3/4. So right here is 18 3/4. Okay, because each one of these is 1/4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So 19 and a half, 9, would be right here. All right, so the distance between 3/4 to 1 whole is 1/4. Okay, the distance between 19 and a half would be another 1/4 and another 1/4. So if we add all of these together, we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So the distance would be 3/4. Okay? Vocabulary. Blank describes how heavy something is. That is weight. Blank describes how much something holds. Capacity. Blank means of equal measure, same shape, same size. That is congruent. Blank is a mathematical sentence where one side is not equal to the other. Inequality. And blank is the point or corner in a geometric figure. That is vertex or vertices. All right. Guys, hope you have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.